Hello, my friends. We made it. We completed the tutorial of gaining control. Together we have collected more than 475,000 steps, lifted more than 12,500 kilos combined, endured more than 25 minutes of cold showers, tracked our fuel intake for a total of 20 days, written down and expressed 60 things we're proud of and 40 things we're grateful of, and the greatest achievement so far, we've built a loving and supportive community of wonderful heroes and champions, all who strive to become the greatest versions of ourselves. Hero boost earned. Read out loud to activate the boost. We now enter level 10, ramping up. Now that we have proven to ourselves that we have what it takes to create the life we want, we're gonna prove to ourselves that we are capable of way more than we believe. New discipline unlocked. Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a great way to not only practice confidence, it also allows for the body to heal, brings you focus, and it proves that we have more raw power than we might believe. For intermittent fasting to have the desired effect, we also need to add our first nutrient goal. Important. Stay hydrated. Water, black coffee, and unsweetened tea are your best friends during fasting hours. Electrolytes without sugar can help if you feel lightheaded. Break the fast gently. Start with the nutrient-dense food, lean protein, veggies, and healthy fats. Avoid heavy, ultra-processed or sugar-loaded meals to prevent energy crashes. Listen to your body. Light hunger is normal, but dizziness, weakness, or irritability are signals to adjust. Sleep, stress, and activity affect how well fasting feels. Adapt accordingly. Caution. Intermittent fasting may not be suitable if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or under 18, have a history of eating disorders, or have certain health conditions, or are on medication that requires food. To finish level 10, you must obtain 60,000 steps, lift a total of 5,000 kilos, collect a total of 9 minutes of cold showers, document your fuel intake in the fuel tracking app 5 out of the next 7 days, write down and express 20 things you're proud of, and write down and express 20 things you're grateful of in your hero's journal, collect 1.5 grams of protein per 1 kilo desired body weight, and complete 4 16-hour fasts. Time limit 7 days. Your time starts now. We believe in you. Together we change the world. This is Gaining Control.
Gaining control.